Test one day T20
ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಕ್ಕಲ ಸರಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೆ ನೀನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ I had taken a oath. You all have represented our country. You all have made us proud. We couldn't have the privilege to see an international match in our hometown. So I had taken an oath in this venue that every year I see through that one or the other cricketer who has represented Team India, who has brought World Cup to Team India, will come here and bless this occasion. Nikula, ಜೋರಾದ ತಾಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟುದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರವ ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಅಜಿಂಕ್ಯ ರಹಾನೆ ಸರ್ನ first and foremost I'd like to wish you a happy Navratri to you. Have more success, get more trophies to our country. So this is on the eve of Navratri. Goddess Durga's Vahan is tiger. So this is a folk culture performed by our district community to offer her prayers. So this is a very auspicious folk culture. So thanks for coming from your busy schedule. Our Kali Team India da Maji Kaptan ante IPL da one franchise da Kaptan andulire Bari Sarala Sanchanika da Vyakti our Baroda da Karana ella PV Shetty konnu engella PV Shetty yaak boyoskane bande Mumbai Cricket Association da chairman iddare IPL governing council da member ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಟಗಾರರೇ ಪಕ್ಕಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಶೆಟ್ರು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶೆಟ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಜ್ವರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೊಡುಗು
I would like to thank Nikunji for inviting me here. It's such an honor, such a pleasure to be here. I have so enjoyed my journey. It's so good to be here amongst you all. So this kind of love we always see on the stadium, inside the stadium, this kind of positivity, this kind of atmosphere. But today, this is my first time in Mangalore. I'm really enjoying it. Since the time I have landed till here, the city, the greenery, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. As sports people, we always like to learn many things, and it's an opportunity for me to learn about this beautiful culture. Coming here in Navratri, it's a special day as you mentioned, so I'm really honored, really privileged to be here. And as you mentioned that you like to invite an international cricketer, Indian cricketer every year. I would like to come here every day, every year. And to witness this beautiful culture, amazing culture, and learn many more things. So thank you once again for this warm welcome, amazing hospitality, and having me here. It's been an absolute honor. Thank you.
Birthday Monday. Brother, next year along with you should get one more cricketer. This is a promise.